Writing to persuade and argue. When you write to persuade or argue, your goal is to convince your reader to agree with your point of view or to see your perspective. While persuading and arguing are similar, they have subtle differences. With persuading, you aim to influence the reader's emotions and beliefs to make them agree with you. It is usually more subtle than arguing. With arguing, you present logical reasons and evidence to support your point of view. Texts that persuade or argue could be written in lots of different forms: letters, speeches, newspaper articles, and so on. To be effective in both, you can use the A-forest technique. A forest is a really useful mnemonic to help you remember some of the techniques you can use in your arguments or persuasive writing. It stands for anecdote and alliteration, facts, opinion, rhetorical questions, emotive language, statistics, the magic three. Let's talk about these techniques in more detail. Anecdote, what is it? It is a short personal story. It makes your writing relatable and engaging. They are often personal to you, but they can be about other people or things you have heard too. Alliteration, what is it? It is the repetition of the same sound at the beginning of words. It makes your writing more memorable and engaging. Facts, these are true pieces of information. They support your argument and make it stronger. It makes your position clear and helps persuade the reader. Rhetorical questions, what are they? They are questions that don't need an answer, but make the reader think. They engage the reader and emphasize your point. Emotive language, what is it? They are words that evoke emotions. It helps create sympathy and connect with the reader's feelings. Statistics are numerical data. They provide strong evidence to support your argument. The magic three, what is it? The rule of three, this is where ideas are presented in threes. It makes your writing more effective and persuasive. Now that we have covered a forest, let's have a look at some other techniques. Exaggeration is also known as hyperbole. It is an overstatement to make a point. It emphasizes your argument, but should be used carefully. It works really well in articles and speeches, and also in texts that are trying to sell a product. You just need to be careful with these. You are able to exaggerate, but you are not allowed to lie. You can't say things that are not true. It is a very effective trick for persuasive writing. It can make your argument sound more convincing.